resignation and government crisis, the control of the state is under a military war.
De wetenschappers van de Centrale Universiteit hebben een zonnestelsel ontdekt met dezelfde kenmerken als onze. Dit stelsel heeft 8 planeten, waarvan 1 planeet atmosferische omstandigheden laat zien.
Dr. McGurk, I must admit all of this sounds very risky. I'm just an immigrant in this city. How can I make any difference?
Carlos, change starts with a single step and small actions. It doesn't matter where you come from. Everyone deserves to live in a place where their rights are respected. Your story matters.
But what can I contribute? I'm not an expert in these matters, and I have no influence.
Don't underestimate the power of a true story. You have lived experience, leaving a homeland and family you love, despite the unknowns that are still ahead. From where you stand, you have solutions to issues so many of us face. And that's in addition to your remarkable gift as a scientist. Your ideas will change your life, and so many others. Your knowledge and perspective are valuable. Speaking up will always make a difference.
But what if they don't listen to me? What if we just become an easy target for Alpha? Alpha controls almost everything: the government, the businesses, the media, the economy.
Carlos, change is never easy, and progress is usually incremental. I struggled with these choices too, risking what people thought of me, taking time away from my work and family to stand alongside those who saw a future I didn't think was possible. But our moment is here. If we don't raise our voices, if we don't unite to fight, what future awaits the people of this city? We can't let fear stop us. We have what it takes. You're an important part of this movement. We must be brave and make our stories visible. Not all is lost. We still have laws that protect us to participate in the democracy that's left.
My mother always taught me to live with my head proudly on my shoulders and not hiding in the sand. You're right, Dr. McGurk. I'm willing to join the fight. It's time we do something. If we don't raise our voices now with others, no one will raise their voice for us in the future.
That's the spirit, Carlos. And you don't always have to be the one with the bullhorn. We can answer the call to solidarity with whatever talents we have. Taking care of children so parents can attend trainings, texting our loved ones about how they can get involved, resharing videos that describe what's really happening in our world. We need everyone. And it doesn't hurt to have those who can keep us fueled with hot coffee on our side. Together, we can make a difference. Now, what do you say about that brew?
One special cappuccino coming right up, Dr. McGurk. Yo invito. And I'm ready to speak truth to power. In the end, I can look back and say I took action for a world where everyone has the means to thrive.